So let's get into gold today, talking about XAU USD. I'll show you the key levels I'm watching and also my short-term and long-term outlook. Now, if you guys do want my help with your trading, be sure to click on the link at the top of this video and you're going to get 90% off VIP access. So that's going to give you lifetime access to the course I just launched as well as Discord. So that's real-time discussions on the Forex market, crypto, commodities, and also stocks. Plus, you're going to get daily videos that you can only get in Discord. You're going to get exclusive setups from me. Also to see my trades in real time. By the way, guys, I am active in Discord every single day throughout the day. So if you have questions about trading, you can always ask me in there, as well as almost 2,000 other members. All right, so see the link in the description of this video, or if you're on the website, click on that link that says Join VIP. Okay, so looking at gold, guys, you know that my recent analysis of this market, if you saw recent videos, was that we had the breakout above this channel right here. So you can see very clearly that we have these two lows. If we extend a parallel level off of this high up here, you can see right through here, we got the close above. And notice on these two candles right here, and also again here, the market found support on both of these candles. It then closed back below in April, okay, on this candle, and notice what became resistance. Okay, so that's no coincidence. And this up here became a failed breakout. Now, something that I mentioned to VIP members in yesterday's video, and this is one of the advantages of being in VIP, is that you do get those daily videos. So when gold was trading up here in this area, what I mentioned to members was that I was looking for a retest up here in this area, right around 2380, to retest the top of this channel. And the reason for that is you can see that so far we had the break above that longer term channel, okay, the rotation lower, the retest down here, and now we're getting the retest up here at resistance. Okay, so as of now, it's unclear if gold is going to be able to get above this area. So far, you can see where the market did come right into this level that I mentioned to members yesterday. Okay, so as of right now, this area is going to be resistance for gold. Okay, so if you are buying right now, you are buying right into resistance, which obviously is never a good idea. So from here, okay, you've got to ask yourself, what is my style of trading? What's my risk tolerance? What's my view of the market? Are you willing to short the market from up here, looking for rotation lower to complete this descending channel, right? And it's always risky whenever you're shorting a market like this, you know, that has moved higher by 30% in just a few months, right? This has been an incredible rally. So obviously, if you're shorting up here, it is a little bit risky, and you really need that favorable risk-reward ratio if you're going to do that. So with that said, we know that resistance is up here for gold. And as for support, we know that these lows down here, as well as all the way down here to about like 2265 or so, this is going to be support for the coming weeks. So if we do see a rotation lower, this down here is going to be support. You can see the lows right here. If we get that rotation lower, there's a good chance we see gold sweep these recent lows and give us a full retest of that pivot right around 2265. Now, of course, we could also see a bit lower from this, given this failed breakout up here, right, to where we see a move down here to test the bottom of this channel, and potentially even levels like 2200, although that would be, you know, quite the move lower from gold. And I'm not quite sure we get that. On the other hand, a move above this area, a daily close above here next week, would open up these recent all-time highs. And of course, you know, psychological levels like 2500. The tricky part though with playing the upside here is that if you're looking for a very specific target, obviously you've got these highs back here, but outside of that, there really isn't much because it would be an all-time high. So you essentially have to go off of psychological numbers like 2500, 2600, 2700, etc. Okay, so this up here is going to be resistance for now. We've got support down here closer to 2265, and the market coming into this confluence of resistance today. Now, there's no doubt, okay, that this right here is potentially a bull flag, because if I remove this here to show that recent fake out that we've talked about, this right here is a bull flag, okay, or at least the start of one. Obviously, you need the market breaking above this resistance area up here to confirm it, which we haven't seen yet. So this is a potential bull flag, but you have to keep in mind, like I said, if you're buying up here, you're buying right into resistance. Okay, so eventually this could become a bull flag if we get the close above, but you've got to keep in mind that we could still get that rotation lower to retest these lows, take those out, and really retest this area down here before we get that next bounce. So in my opinion, if you're looking for the most favorable buying opportunity, obviously not financial advice, but you're looking to, you know, long from down here in this area if we get it. Because the idea here is to long low, short high, right? It's the same thing as buying low, selling high. And that might seem overly basic, but it's amazing how many people forget that when they're trading. So if you're looking up here, right now, again, this is going to be resistance. You've got support down here. If you're looking to long a market that has done this over the past few months, at least for me, I'm looking to potentially long from down here. And again, you have to ask yourself, what is your risk tolerance? What's your style of trading, etc.? Are you comfortable trying to short a market that has done this at resistance, looking for that additional pullback? Okay, but that's essentially my view for gold. I think longer term, we are going to see gold move much higher. It's just a matter of, do we get that second pullback within this recent consolidation? Subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon for notifications. Don't forget to join us in VIP and save 90% on lifetime access to both the course and the Discord community for real-time discussions on Forex, crypto, commodities, and stocks. Also get daily videos and see my trades in real time. Have a great weekend, and I will talk to you again soon.